Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is if m times n means m is a daughter of n, m plus n means m is a father of n, m percent n means m is a mother of n, and m minus n means m is a brother of n, then according to this code indicates which relation of p to k. So how we are going to approach this problem? Take a look. M times n means m is a daughter of n. So we have times sign here, so we can put d, which would stand for the daughter. Next, plus sign means that m is the father of n, or first is the father of the second. So plus means father. So we put f here. M percent n means m is a mother of n. So plus percent means mother. So we put m here, and minus means that first is the brother of the second, so we put b here. So now we have everything we need in order to solve this problem. Now let's build a pedigree. So p mother of q. So p is the mother of q, and q is the father of r. So q is the father of r, and r is a brother of t. So r is a brother of t, and t is a daughter of k. So t is a daughter, so we put circle here, of k. And we know that one parent is q, so the second parent have to be k. And now we have to find which indicates which relation of p to k. And here is p, here is a k, and as you see, p would be mother-in-law of k. Again, p is the mother of q, and q is married to k, so p would be mother-in-law of k. And do we see such an answer? We see daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, aunt, and none of this. Again, if question would be what is the relation of k to p, then we can say that k is a daughter-in-law of p, and we would choose answer A. But our question asks us relation of p to k, and p would be mother-in-law of k, and we do not see such an answer here, so we have to choose answer D, none of this. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.